Well, you know when somebody's been in your garden, probably during the night. Not that there's anything to steal in mine, but my gate's unlocked, which it never is. I always lock that. And that was up against the gate like that, with a big brick there, and the brick's been moved, and somebody's laying it on top, because the gate opens up over the top of it. Don't know what they've been looking for, but there's nothing for them to pinch. I thought maybe the fairies had been in and finished tidying the garden up for me, but it doesn't look like it. I'm going to have to get out and pick all the weeds from between the paving blocks there. And something else I just realised, I've got a lot of trouble with rabbits eating everything. I stopped growing vegetables a number of years ago because of the rabbits coming in and eating everything. But I was out cutting the grass on Thursday. Usually when I cut the grass, there's usually rabbit droppings all over the lawn. And it's ping, 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 ping all the time I'm cutting the grass. And I didn't realise at the time, but it only just dawned on me there wasn't any of those sounds, and I've been checking and there's not a single rabbit dropping anywhere in the garden. Hooray, I'll be able to grow stuff again. I'll have to check the seeds in the outhouse. It's years since I've grown anything, so they're probably out of date now, but I'll have a look anyway. There's packets of seeds. Oh yes, definitely out of date. But you never know. No date on that one. Oh, 2006 on them one. Oh, 2012 on them. Oh, I might try them. You never know. Well, they're bound to be in foil inside the thing, so they might be okay. 2009. I don't think it's that long since I've been growing stuff in the garden, but hey, well, I'm going to have a look at what I've got and see what dates on most of them, and some of them I might be getting a bit late, but there's got a few flowers in there I might try and see, because even the rabbits used to eat the flowers as well, so the only things I never seem to eat, the only things I could grow are potatoes and onions, because they didn't seem to like them. They always left them alone, and the rhubarb as well. They never touched that. But I couldn't grow any greens if I tried to grow carrots, beetroot. As soon as the leaves started coming through, peas, they were gone the next day. So I'll have to have a little go at seeing where I can have a go at growing, and hope they don't come back again. Poor little things, they may be in somebody's dinner plate now, like a rabbit pie. You're sorry for them, but not when they're not coming into my garden anymore.